Hi devious, welcome back to my new video. This is a small video which I am creating. It's a continuation of previous video where we have one more program to calculate the fraction value. Basically here we have only plus. Here we take two values, which is x value and n values from the user. N will be the power value, so that's two things we'll be taking out, and then we will be doing this. So first we will just the code which is already have been written, I'll be using the same code, just we will take the value of n and then we will just remove that if condition and just we will write the result condition over there. Okay, so once the result condition, here we just don't need that divider value. So since it is like only x power 2, 3, 4 and up to n values, so we'll remove that divider and that's it. You can just check with the value. Already an example as given by the JNTU, so I have given a value as 5, x value as 5 and n value will be 3. Then you got the value which is placed. So that's all, a short video. Thank you for watching. Hope you have liked this very short video which will be helpful for you. If you have any doubts, please feel free to comment below, and if you want any other videos, please update me in the comment box. Thank you.